NIRVA'S cuisine.
Hi everyone, welcome back to NIRVA'S Cuisine. Oh, thank you so much for your patience. I appreciate you. Today I am making sauteed spinach, Frikase Epinard. If you're a vegan or vegetarian, you want to stay and watch this. I am working for you guys. I'm bringing more recipes soon. I'm starting this vegan series with this spinach recipe. This is the vegetable wash that I use to wash the spinach. Je utilise veggie wash ça que moi je dans Trader Joe's. Ou capable de dans n'importe grocery store, but moi même c'est là moi acheter ça. Ou capable de dans l'autre brand tout. Pour épinard ça, m'a utiliser un paquet épinard que moi get lavé et raché. Moi utiliser zo épinard là tout qui vraiment bon qui charge vitamine là-dedans. This is only one pack of épinard. These are the ingredients that I'm using for the sauteed spinach. I'm using bell peppers, as always, all three colors if I have them available. I'm using scallion, poivre, piment douce. This is garlic, and like moi te get enraché, un bout citron, one piece of lime, and thyme, and parsley, and a scotch bonnet pepper, some chopped onions, butter, some olive oil, salt and pepper. M'a utilisé piment piqué, thym avec persil, oignon que m'te get enraché, yon ti beurre, yon ti l'huile, sel ensemble avec poivre. Je dis moi get en chaud, moi ajouter beurre, ajouter oignon et puis m'a quitter le fond ti cuit pour m'a ajouter épinard. Once the pot is hot, I add the butter. Caramelize the onions a little bit. Once they cook down, I am adding the epinard. Okay, I add a little bit of water to cook the spinach down. Moi ap ajouté yon ti d'eau pour m capable touffer épinard là pour pas brûler. You can ajouter plus d'eau si vous voulez sur remet de l'eau là-dedans. I don't really like it with too much water, so m pas ajouter en pile. Après 5 ou bien 7 minutes, moi découvrir, il get cuit, il pas besoin pile temps pour le cuit. It takes about 5 to 7 minutes. It really doesn't take that long. I add the bell peppers, moi ajouter piment douce. Puis moi ajouter l'ail là, add your chopped garlic. I'm adding the fresh herbs, which is the thyme and parsley, and the scotch bonnet. I cannot leave that behind. I love fresh herbs in my cooking. I add the salt, the black pepper. Moi j'aime utiliser fresh ingrédients le m'a fait manger au lieu de poudre là, tant l'ail, oignons. Moi j'aime utiliser avec persil tout, avec piment pour capable manger un bon saveur avec un bon odeur. Then I stir a little bit. I needed more salt, so I add more. You can add any other spices you like, but I wanted to keep this one clean and fresh, not too much ingredient because I want the authentic taste of the spinach. And I have to taste your food, guys. Very important. Goûter manger pour nous faire sûr que li gen goût que nous besoin. Then moi ajouter un lot chaudière. Voilà, ajouter un petit l'huile d'olive là avec poivre pour le frire dans l'huile là. L'huile commence à frire, commence à noir, c'est le ça m'a connaît le bon. Then I'm about to add the scallion to the hot oil. When it's brownish, that's when you know it's ready. Very important. Please do not skip this step. This is the whole recipe right there. I used to see my grandma do it when I was little, and I've been doing it. I add a little bit more water to the spinach. You can add as much as you want or as little as you want. Now spinach is ready. I'm about to add the hot oil to the spinach. This is the whole recipe, guys, and it is so good. So good. You can use it as a side dish, as a side veggie, but once again, for my vegan subscribers, this is a very good meal with a side of rice or boiled plantains or bananas. Very good on those days that you don't want to make anything too heavy and nothing that takes too much time. Now add the lime juice, ajoutez du citron pour bon acide, et puis this is it. Very easy, very simple, fresh and clean, guilt-free meal right there. Then I took out the parsley and thyme. Now it's ready to serve. You can use this as a main dish with a side of rice, or you can also use it as a side of veggies on any given day. It is a great recipe that I love and I wanted to share with you. Guys, thanks again for your patience. I have more vegan recipes coming. I will be adding way more vegan recipes. If you're a vegan follower or subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate you. I appreciate all of you. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Share, like, comment, and si ou te gen tan fè request yon recipe que vous voulez ou me fè, I am working. It's coming. Merci en pile pour support nous. Partagez, like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you, and à la prochaine. NIRVA'S.